Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do this twisted bun hairstyle and I hope you guys like it. So let's get started and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So yeah, first I'm going to take a middle parting and you can choose any parting of your choice, and then I'm going to divide it in two sections and clip off one section and do the other half. And with the other half I'm going to take a triangle section and again I'm going to divide it in two halves, and I'm going to be very slow so that you can understand well. So now I'm going to take this one over the other and I'm going to twist it 2 times like this. And now what we have to do is we have to grab the sections with our thumbs and twist it opposite the direction of our face. Like as you can see, I'm grabbing the section with my thumbs and I'm going to twist it and yeah, here you can see I'm going to twist it opposite direction of my face, and here you can see, yes, I'm showing you how I have twisted. So, and don't forget to detangle your hair because it will be a mess in the later part, so try to detangle it every time you twist your hair. Now I'm doing the same thing till we reach the end. Take section and twist it and I find using thumbs and grabbing the sections is quite easier. With every twist, I'm trying to detangle my
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left.
And when you reach the end, you have to twist it again till you reach the end of your hair. I'm going to twist it as you can see here.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
And I'm going to clip it off for now. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side as well, taking a triangle section and dividing in two halves and then twisting it away from my face. Twisting it 2 times and then grabbing the section and twisting it till we reach the end.
Fighting to create a song.
tried to show you as much as I can, and I have not cut any scene from this footage. And again I'm going to do the same thing, twist it till we reach the end.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever try.
And now we have two ponytails, the twisted ponytails, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a bun out of these, and I'm going to twist it at the back also, making it in a bun shape like this. And this twist in the hair is going to give it a nice texture, and the bun is going to look really beautiful, which you will see in the end. And now I'm just bobby pinning the hair section so that my bun do not budge or move. Now grabbing the other section and rolling it on the bun. And as you can see, the bun is looking really clean and beautiful. Now I'm just adjusting any budge or any loops in my hair, and I'm just pulling out some strands so that it looks very fuller. Yeah, you can just bobby pin or correct any areas where you feel like, and I'm just grabbing some hair pieces for the messier look, and that's totally on you that how you want to have your hair. So that's it. So that's it for today, and I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and meet you in my next video very soon. So bye.